And TDP chief Chandrababu Naidu, who most definitely will be smiling looking at the data that's coming in from the exit polls, is now at the TDP office in Vijayawada and received a grand welcome from cadre who've already come together and begun their celebrations. Jai Chandrababu, CM Chandrababu slogans being raised at the TDP office even as Chandrababu Naidu made his way inside. You can see Naidu there, all smiles, accepting all of the congratulations pouring in from TDP cadre. They're very, very confident that they've got this in the bag. But of course, tomorrow we'll know if that really is the case. Celebrations have already begun at the TDP office in Vijayawada. Chandrababu Naidu turned up there for an internal huddle but was met by scores of supporters who've gathered there, all hailing Chandrababu Naidu as the next Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. Let me bring in Apurva Jayachandran on this broadcast. She's joining us live from Vijayawada, where all of the action will play out tomorrow. So much at stake, Apurva. We've put out the parliament numbers. We'll put out the assembly numbers also in just a bit. But celebrations already breaking out in the TDP camp. They believe that, this is a victory that they've sealed. I remember on polling day speaking to Chandrababu Naidu, just looking at the sheer crowds that had gathered at polling stations, he was exuding so much confidence.
Well, as I said, Akshita, remember the polling percentage for Andhra Pradesh this time was in fact one of the highest that the state has ever seen, and that also leaders from either the YSRCP or the TDP were sure that this could mean good news for them. Of course, our exit poll results do come in favor of the TDP's new-founded alliance, the India Alliance. That remember, this alliance was made to, tailored for the Telugu Desam party. They wanted this India Alliance to be set up smoothly, and of course it was Pawan Kalyan, that the Janasena party chief, who had taken this all the way to ensure the fruitification of this alliance to get into place. And of course we have Y.S. Sharmila in the ring there contesting from Kadapa from an MP candidate seat, and we also have Y.S. Jagannath Reddy, the YSRCP's chief and Andhra Pradesh chief minister. In fact, tomorrow, this time around in Vijayawada, it's going to be quite interesting to see what is going to be the numbers, the actual numbers that is going to be reflected on ground. Already celebrations, like I've rightly mentioned, have already begun at the TDP's offices and at Janasena party offices there in Andhra Pradesh. Remember, this time the exit polls have revealed quite a huge margin there for the India Alliance.